thunderstorms. Oh my thunderstorm. Oh my thunderstorm. Other clouds ahead, now changing air pressure, causing the rapid air movements. Conditions that bring kinds of storms can cause another rainy storms. Some these lightning, thunderstorms or thunderheads. Gonna storm ahead, gonna storm ahead, gonna storm ahead. Hey, yeah. Now it's raining, oh it's raining, it's raining. Oh yeah, now it's raining, it's raining, oh it's raining, raining. Oh my thunderstorm. Oh my thunderstorm. Oh my thunderstorm. Cumulonimbus clouds, when warm air is forcing upwards, maybe simply from hot humid afternoons in the summer, can cause upward downward winds. The wind shear can make it blow, yeah. We're gonna stop the planes from taking off. Now it's raining, oh it's raining, it's raining. Oh yeah, now it's raining, it's raining, oh it's raining, raining. Oh my thunderstorm. Oh my thunderstorm. Oh my thunderstorm. Thunderstorms, charges are building now. Lightning, lightning, energy discharge from cloud to ground. Thunderstorms, charges are building now. Lightning, lightning, energy discharge from cloud to ground. Now it's raining, oh it's raining. You know what I am saying. Now it's raining, oh it's raining. You know what I am saying. Oh my thunderstorms.
Chapter 15. Some natural phenomena. We can see electric sparks on an electric pole when wires become loose. We can see electric sparks when a plug is loose in its socket. Sometimes we notice flashes of light all over the sky during rain and thunderstorms. This natural phenomena is called lightning. Lightning is also an electric spark, but on a huge scale. Activity 1. To show that a charged body attracts tiny bits of paper towards itself. Things needed: a plastic comb, small bits of paper. Method. We bring a plastic comb near small bits of paper. The comb does not attract them. The same plastic comb is rubbed on our dry hair and then brought near the paper pieces. It attracts them because the plastic comb gets electrically charged on rubbing. Conclusion: a charged body attracts tiny bits of paper towards itself. Activity 2. To show that like charges repel each other. Things needed: 2 glass rods, 2 ebonite rods, a piece of silk, a piece of fur, wooden stand, silk thread. Method. Part A. We rub a glass rod with a piece of silk and suspend it with a silk thread to a stand. We bring another glass rod rubbed with silk cloth near the suspended rod. Observation. We observe that the suspended glass rod moves away from the other glass rod. Conclusion. In this case, both the rods are of the same material, that is, glass, and both of them are rubbed with silk cloth, so their electric charges are of the same type. Now, since two similarly charged glass rods repel each other, we conclude that similar charges repel each other. Similar charges are also called like charges. So, we can say that like charges repel each other. Part B. We rub an ebonite rod with fur and hang it with a silk thread to a stand as shown in figure. We rub another ebonite rod with fur and bring it nearer to the suspended charged ebonite rod. Observation. We observe that the suspended ebonite rod moves away from the other ebonite rod. Conclusion. In this case, both the rods are of the same material, that is, ebonite, and both of them were rubbed with fur, so their electrical charges are of the same type. Now, since similarly charged ebonite rods repel each other, we conclude that like charges repel each other. Activity to show that unlike charges attract each other. Things needed: a glass rod, a silk cloth, a wooden stand, silk thread, an ebonite rod. Fur. Method. We suspend a glass rod rubbed with silk cloth to a stand using a silk thread. We bring an ebonite rod near the suspended glass rod. Observation. We observe that the suspended glass rod gets attracted towards the ebonite rod. Conclusion. In this case, the two rods are of different materials, ebonite and glass, and they were rubbed with different materials, fur and silk, so their electrical charges must be different. Since the oppositely charged glass rod and ebonite rod attract each other, so we conclude that unlike charges attract each other.